Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will explain velocity. What is velocity? So let's come to the definition. The time rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Actually, when the time rate change occur in displacement is known as velocity. In previous lecture I said that about speed, that when the time rate it was the time rate of change of distance, but it is the time rate of change of displacement. When change occur in displacement is called velocity. Velocity as denoted by v over arrow, okay, and speed was only sample v. So and given by v, so it is v arrow is equal to displacement divided by time. So the displacement also you can write s over arrow over time. And the unit of velocity is meter per second, same as speed. So now come to the nature. It is a vector quantity because it is specific direction. Actually, there is the difference between speed and velocity is only that velocity is also speed, but velocity has some specific direction. Okay, so it is a vector quantity. Here the main difference. And dimension is same as speed, like L large L, capital L and capital T over -1 with over bracket is the dimension, like two sides. Now come to the later explanation that the actually velocity is also called speed. It is also called speed, but it has specific direction. I already explained. So it has specific direction, by that it gave the name velocity. Graphically we can also write to the north, south, east, west, etc. East and west and like south, some specific direction. When you ask to someone how many velocity you cover, if he gave the specific answer, he will say that 5 meter per second due north or due south or due some. It must show the place or the position. So this is the direction. We also can write the v is equal to s del t and s2 minus s1 divided by t1 minus 2. Now come to the types of velocity. First is average velocity. Average velocity. Okay, what is average velocity? Average velocity when a body cover total displacement and total time. When a body cover total displacement, total means when some displacement already given and also some time already given. By the same time they cover the same velocity, like 50 meter are given and 20 second are given. When it cover this one, this will give the average velocity denoted by v average and given by v average is equal to total displacement divided by total time. Okay, so we will add these all and also we will write the time, like if say 15, like 20 something. We will add this one and we also add this one. It will give the total the average velocity. Now come to the instantaneous velocity. Graphically also you can write this. Instantaneous velocity mean when a body covers some displacement in a very short time. Mean the time will be reached to zero. Okay, the time will be very short, like this one. And also this is the distance, like but in a very short time. So like we also write v dash is equal to limit del t tend to 0 and del is divided by t. The limit means time is approaching to 0. It will not be 0, but it will be approaching to 0. Now come to the uniform velocity. What is uniform velocity? When a body cover equal displacement in equal interval of time. Means the distance, this displacement will be equal and the time will also be equal. Okay, equal displacement, equal interval, like 10. It is equal 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20 is 25. Sorry. Okay. And this is 10. It will give the same velocity, like it will give the same answer. Here is also 10 divided by 5 give 2, 20 divided by 10 give 2, 30 divided by 15 to same. The answer will be same. It will be uniform because displacement and time will be equal. Now come to the variable or non-uniform velocity. When a body cover equal displacement in unequal interval of time, here will be the displacement will be equal, but the time will be unequal. Okay, so here displacement will be equal and time will be unequal. Okay, so here the time is xyz, maybe 3, 5, 7 xyz, and time and the displacement is equal 10, 20, 30, 40, 7 series equal. So it will give the what the variable velocity or we also can say the non-uniform velocity. This was the types of velocity. Thank you so much.